Everything you're watching right now was created entirely in Google Flow, for free. Zero cost, zero watermarks, zero restrictions. And here's the part nobody mentions. You no longer need an unreliable Chrome extension to remove that watermark. Google Flow now handles this for you, right inside the app, as a built-in feature. I'll show you exactly how it works. Keep watching. Let's get started. Welcome back. If this is your first time here, on this channel I test AI tools every day and show you what actually works. No hype, no fluff. Today, I'm creating a cinematic AI film from start to finish, completely free, in Google Flow's Storyboard Studio. Google gives you 50 free credits every day. And finally, I'll show you the new, built-in way to remove the watermark. Let's get started. Open Google Flow, sign in with your Google account, create a new project, click Tools, and scroll down to find Storyboard Studio. It's listed under New Features. It's completely free, so don't hesitate to open it. You can leave the style set to realistic. I chose 3D animation. That's what gives the animation its look. Click Get Started, then paste your movie idea directly into the command box and press Submit. I have a really great story about dinosaurs here, and I love dinosaur stories. Here's the secret. You don't have to write the entire script yourself. Storyboard Studio reads your idea and automatically builds the entire story structure around it. Watch what happens. Once your story is created, click Characters. This is where things get fun. Click Autofill Characters. Flow will create all the characters for you. Scroll down to Locations and use the Autofill option again. Then move on to Set Design and Props and repeat the process. In seconds, you'll have fully designed characters, locations, and set designs. And to be honest, this surprised me. It looks like it was put together by a real production team. Now go to the storyboard section and click the autofill option. Let me leave a quick note here. Create the characters and scenes first, then move on to the storyboard, because that's the only way to ensure consistency between them. This turns your story into real scenes. You can go up to 20 scenes. If you want, you can even create videos an hour long. I'll keep this brief so we can move along quickly, but the limit is much higher than you might expect. Now things get interesting, and this is exactly where most people make a mistake. They jump straight into animation, and their videos end up inconsistent and disjointed. Don't skip the next step. Copy your entire film script into a blank document. This will be your main reference page. Then, select the storyboard images or open them one by one, copy the scene description, and paste it below each image. Label them Scene 1, Scene 2, and so on. Download each image individually, place them in a single folder, and rename each file according to the scene number. Yes, this takes a few more minutes, but this is the difference between a professionally produced video and a mess that looks like a jumble of random AI clips. Now open Claude, click Add File, and upload all the storyboard images you just downloaded. Then, paste your entire film script along with all the scene descriptions you've edited. This is where things get even better. I've even prepared a master command that handles the hard work. This command combines your script, images, and scene descriptions to generate consistent animation commands for each scene. Type GEM below, and I'll send you the complete master command file and the full text of the film script I used. I'll send you all the links directly. Click Send and let Claude analyze the entire project. This way, you'll have a ready-to-use custom animation command for each scene. Copy the command Claude generated for the first scene. Return to Google Flow, open your first storyboard image, click the three dots, and select Animate Image. Paste your first scene command. Before clicking the Create button, double-check these settings. Model OmniFlash, aspect ratio 16:9, number of videos 1, duration 10 seconds. Click Submit and wait for the process to complete. When the process is finished, press the play button. Notice the quality. It looks truly cinematic, and it was created using a completely free tool. Now repeat this process. Take the command for your second scene, paste it into your second image, and press the Create button. Continue scene by scene until your entire storyboard is animated. Alright, you'll notice that there's now a Gemini watermark in the corner of every video. That's what's changed, and it's the only reason I made this video. I'll be completely transparent. For months, the only way to get rid of this was to install a third-party Chrome extension or re-export the video using a separate editor. I never liked that method. You're granting a random extension access to your videos. However, Google Flow has added a native watermark removal feature integrated directly into the platform. No extension, no editor, no catches. But let's start with the extension first, because this feature introduced by Flow is very new and isn't available in every region yet. Method 1. We'll use Use a Chrome extension. Search for the Erasio extension in the Chrome Web Store and install it. Go back to Flow, refresh the page, and you'll now see a button above the videos. When you download from there, the watermark will be removed. This is a quick and easy extension. If this extension ever stops working, you can search for Gemini Watermark Remover in the Chrome Web Store and install other extensions. Method 2. Flow has introduced a toggle for the visible watermark option for users today. Go to the account section where you can find and use the visible watermark toggle. Let's even try this feature with the last 2 scenes. I'm uploading scene 9 to Flow, clicking Animate and typing my prompt. Right now, with the visible watermark set to off, I click Send and my video is generated. As you can see, there's no watermark. It's really great. I turn on the visible watermark, create scene 10, and the watermark appears. This turned out really great. Flow automatically provides you with a clean, watermark-free version. That's all there is to it. You can do this for every clip. It's completely free, fully built in, no need to download anything extra. Now that all the clips have been downloaded and watermarks removed, open your favorite video editor, drop all the clips onto the timeline in scene order, and export. That's it. Your AI movie is officially finished. From a single idea to a full-fledged cinematic short film created with completely free tools. Now, a fair warning. I'm not here to sell you a pipe dream. There are a few honest limitations. Once you start animating multiple scenes, your daily 50 free credits will run out faster than you think, because each video uses 15 credits, which means you can create 3 scenes per day, or hundreds if you have a pro account. You can use different accounts. The limit on how many of these videos you can make is up to you, so plan your storyboard before you run out of credits. OmniFlash is fast, but not flawless. You may need to reshoot a few times for complex scenes. Also, the built-in watermark tool is new. If you don't see it yet, it might not have been added to your account. This isn't a magic button, but it's the closest free workflow I've found that actually delivers results. A quick summary of the mistake to avoid. Don't skip editing your scene descriptions before animating. It might seem like a tedious process, but this is exactly what ensures your final video looks consistent rather than chaotic. If you want the exact command line and the full script for the video, write GEM in the comments and I'll send it to you. And look, if this saved you time, subscribing to the channel takes just 2 seconds. This is very important to me. Turn on notifications so you'll be notified as soon as the next AI analysis is posted. Leave a comment and let me know which tool you'd like me to test in the next video. I read every single one. See you in the next video.